Hi everyone. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create line charts using SAC. First, let's preview the two chart examples we'll create. The first is gross sales revenue line chart per month. The second example shows monthly sales revenue trends, which is split into 4 charts by product category. Now let's go through the details about how to create these charts step by step. We'll walk through the creation process in the system. In our story interface, let's start by adding a new page. First, click this button to add a chart. Next, select Line Chart from the visualization options. For the y-axis under Measures, we'll select Sales Revenue. Under Dimensions, choose Date. Note that our date hierarchy has different levels. We'll select Level 4, which represents months. Let's enlarge the chart for better view. Now we can see our basic line chart is complete. The y-axis here shows sales revenue, and x-axis displays months. Next, let's adjust the chart formatting. Click this button to access the formatting panel. To access the formatting panel, here, you'll find ID and CSS options. To customize styles, you may use a CSS class. You can set width, height, and positioning margins. For example, 5px left margin. The distance from the top is 5 pixels. You can see the position being adjusted accordingly. We'll change it to 2 here. OK. Let's move downward. Here we can define the background for our line chart. Good. Now let's define the chart border. We'll apply borders to all sides. OK. Moving further down, let's select our number format. For the y-axis, we'll display values in thousands. For decimal placement, we'll maintain 2 decimal points. 2 decimal points. Right. We can also configure the font background. Regarding this, we can customize axis colors as needed. There. This completes the basic line chart setup. If you want to display individual product sales in the chart, we can select our products here and add dimensions. Select products. You can see product. Each of the product sales performance is displayed in this chart. OK, let's remove this filter. Next, we'll add a reference line to our visualization. This line represents the average sales value. Values above average will be shown in green, while those below in red. Let me demonstrate how to do this. First, select the reference line option. For the reference line, set its position along the y-axis. Choose sales revenue as the measure, using average calculation. Great. Now we can configure the color. Green for above average values, and red for below average ones. This color coding makes it easy to identify monthly performance against the average. Perfect. Our first chart is now complete. For the second visualization, we'll create 4 line charts by product category. In the chart interface, locate the chart's add-on part. Split view, click this grid icon. Now, this feature allows us to split charts by specific dimensions. Let's split. Let's split by product category. Select the product category dimension. Now we get 4 separate charts for each product category. Each shows monthly sales trends for its category. Double-click here to edit chart titles. Let's update it to the title we wanted. Done. This is how we generate line charts in ICC. Thanks for watching.